Today, we're diving into the world of foldable phones with Samsung's latest top-tier foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. With blazing fast performance from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy CPU, 12 gigs of RAM, and a slew of new Galaxy AI capabilities, this device is designed to boost your productivity like never before. But is it worth the hefty $1,900 price tag, or should you wait for the Z Fold 7? Let's find out. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 offers up to 1 TB of storage, giving you plenty of room for all your images and videos captured with its impressive triple-lens back camera system. However, there are a few reasons why waiting for the Z Fold 7 might be a better option. Before the Fold SIXS release, rumors suggested a significant camera upgrade with a 200-megapixel primary camera. Unfortunately, this didn't come to fruition. The Z Fold 6 retains a triple camera setup, a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 10MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens. The cover display selfie camera is 10MP, and the inner under-display camera is just 4 megapixels. These specs are nearly identical to the Z Fold 5, with only minor improvements. The tall and narrow cover display has remained consistent throughout the Z Fold series. This year's minor changes to the aspect ratio offer a more natural viewing experience, but it still remains fairly thin compared to other phones. If this form factor isn't your favorite, the Z Fold 6 won't be a significant improvement. While nothing has been confirmed, it's likely that Samsung may make adjustments to the Z Fold 7's cover display. We can dream of a better design and enhanced features in the next iteration. The Z Fold 6 follows the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" policy with a design style identical to its predecessors, except for smoother frame borders. If you dislike the tall and thin cover display or the flat edges, waiting another year for potential changes might be worth it. One common feature among foldable phones is the crease. Samsung made the crease on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 less noticeable, but the Z Fold 6 didn't get the same treatment. Hopefully, the Z Fold 7 will enhance the crease, providing a smoother experience. There were rumors of an ultra version of the Z Fold 6 with a much improved 200MP primary camera and a thinner design, but it didn't materialize. We can only hope for a Z Fold 7 Ultra next year. Samsung is expected to release the Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 smartphones in July 2025. Here are the features we want to see in the Z Flip 7. A camera upgrade, larger cover screen, slimmer and lighter design, better battery life, and exclusive AI features. With these improvements, the Z Flip May 7 appeal to those searching for a dependable and innovative foldable phone.